My name's Hayze. I'm an artist from Miami, Florida. The Hayze brand is me. A lifestyle and fashion brand that really speaks to freedom. The Hayze brand started back in 2007. When I was in college at the University of Miami, I used to paint on clothing. And from there, it's really just developed into a fashion brand that really looks at clothing and how we project ourselves a little differently. Our slogan is actually "Be You." When I was about 13 or 14 years old, I was just growing so fast. My mom, she had to buy so many different pairs of shoes for me and my twin brother that really she couldn't keep up. I remember one year before 8th grade, I had these Converses, and I love these shoes. They were dirty over a bunch of playing in the summer, and what I decided was, I said, I'm gonna paint these. I wanted them to be white. I go to school the first day, I got these nice shoes on, everybody's saying how great they look, they love them. I'm out there, on the playground, meeting up with my friends, they're saying something about my shoes, and my brother comes over and says, "Oh yeah, those shoes you painted last night?" You can guess how that went. That really kind of set the stage for what I do now. Well, VANS is a very innovative, forefront, avant-garde type company. Really at the front of creativity and style for so long. You took skateboarding and turned it into something that is not just something that people love or a sport, it's a lifestyle. Why do I want to be a good partner? Because I love to customize shoes. What I do would pair so perfectly with the company on that edge, and I'd be honored to be a part of that. We've grown out of the space. I would use the money to find a new place for our creativity to grow and be able to really improve our functions and our operations, really to get our message out.
Haha, cans and cameras.